Hello, we are Astrid Longoria, Sofia Rosas, Gabriela Corona, and yours truly, Georgia Torres. In this short video, we will be presenting our experiment which we based our key activity on, during which we tested different brands of detergent, two of which were biodegradable, Foca and Roma, and one was non-biodegradable, Ariel Líquido detergent.
Our main objective is to assess their cleaning performance by measuring the speed at which each detergent removes stains. This evaluation will allow us to identify which option is faster and more effective in time-sensitive situations under the same conditions. Our scientific question is the following: how does the choice of detergent brand influence the speed at which a stain is removed?
Finally, our hypothesis is that a non-biodegradable detergent will be more effective because it contains stronger active cleaning agents. After this brief introduction, you'll be able to find our experimental procedure, our results, and finally, our conclusion.
For this experiment, we'll need 750 milliliters of water, Foca detergent, Ariel liquid detergent, Roma detergent, 100 grams of fish, 4 white pieces of cloth, 3 glasses of water, ketchup, and acrylic paint. After dividing our 4 pieces of cloth, we will proceed to make stains on 3 of them. In here, you can see how I'm making the stains with ketchup, with a little bit of ketchup, and trying to make with to have the same proportions in the 3 of them. Here's another view of them, and you can see how they are similar to each other. Here, the next step is that in 3 glasses of water, we're gonna put 250 milliliters of water in each one of them with the help of a measuring cup. After having the water in each glass, we'll put 100 milliliters or grams of each of the detergents. First, we'll start with Roma, then with Foca, and finally with Ariel detergent. Then, after verting the 250 milliliters of water and the 100 milliliters or grams of detergent, we'll mix each one of them with a different spoon. After mixing 2 times each, it's time to put now the clothes and the stains in the water. Now, it's time that we'll mix them 3 times during 3 minutes, each one of them, every 5 minutes. This meaning that we will let them be there for 5 minutes and then continuously for 3 minutes we'll mix them. This we will do it 3 times. After repeating this process, now it's time to remove all the detergent in each one of the clothes. In this step, we will use a considerable amount of water, not measure, until all the detergent is gone. Finally, as a last step, you'll let the clothes dry, but this you can do it with the use of direct sun or just inside your home. Here you can see an example. After 6 hours of letting them dry in the sun, here are the results. First, you'll see Foca detergent. These are the results for Foca. Then on the top, you'll see Ariel detergent results, and finally on the bottom, Roma results. So as you saw in the video, that was our experimental procedure and our small results. So now I'll proceed to show it to you more detail, each one of the results, and I'll start this with showing you the full white cloth. That is this one. This was with no wash, with no water. This was just the full cloth that we use. As you can see, it's so white. Now I'll proceed to show you each one of the detergent and each one of the stains. And first of all, I'll proceed to the biodegradable that are Foca and Roma, that are Roma and Foca in that order. And finally, Ariel liquid detergent, that is the non-biodegradable. Our hypothesis in our beginning was, remembering a little bit, was that non-biodegradable will work better thanks to its stronger cleaning agents that will work better under these conditions that we needed that were fast. So I'll proceed to show you Roma first. This is Roma. Here you can see that there's no stain. I'll show it to you in here. You can see almost no stain. It's so white. And comparing it to the full white, you can see that there's almost no difference. Just the washing, but that's all. There's no stain in there. So now I'll proceed to show you Foca. These are Foca results. These are Foca results, as you can see. And comparing to the, also just as Roma, there's no more stain. Comparing it to the default white, here you can see that there is no difference also. And finally, I'll show you the non-biodegradable, that is Ariel liquid detergent. And in here, you can very clearly see a stain in here. So I'll show it closer to you. And comparing to the default code, this is the stain. So with these results, we can prove that our hypothesis was totally wrong, that the biodegradable detergents are the ones that work better and faster under the same conditions, all of them. Both of the non-biodegradables work better compared to the Ariel that was the non-biodegradable. So our hypothesis was wrong, and biodegradable detergents work better under these situations. So that's all for now. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy it.